Everyone, welcome back to our channel Lex Click. Here I am Kanupriya Bhargav and I am currently working as a legal intern with Lexis and Law Company for the month of July. And today's our topic of discussion will be around the Transgender Person Protection of Rights Act 2019. So here let's start with our topic. The transgender person not only discriminated in India but they are also deprived of their rights. After facing a lot of discrimination, a case was filed before the Supreme Court of India by National Legal Service Authority in 2012 on behalf of transgender NALSA versus Union of India, where a petition was filed of demanding a legal status to transgender and their gender identity and equal rights like every other citizen of India have. Finally, Supreme Court delivered its judgment after the 2 years of long run in NALSA versus Union of India 2014, in which it was upheld that transgender will be recognized as a third gender and equal fundamental rights will be granted to them. Meanwhile, a private member bill was introduced by Tiruchi Siva named Rights of Transgender Bill 2014. In this, it was argued that the countries in the world has made laws and rules to protect the rights of transgender, and India, all the basic rights are being deprived and except the right to vote. Many features were mentioned in the bill, like its purpose is to ensure that all the policies are implemented in the nations which are made for the transgender community, to establish a separate code from them, to grant transgender person 2% reservation in government jobs, and no child should be boycotted from the family from being a transgender, and to impose penalty and punish the person who are making comments on transgenders. This bill was passed by the upper house on 24th April 2015, but it lapsed in the lower house. Meanwhile, in 2015, a draft bill was uploaded by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment to seek public suggestion. On 26th Feb 2016, the bill was introduced in the Lok Sabha and by Bajyant Pandey of the Biju Janata Dal Party. 2016 bill was tabled while 2014 bill was passed by Rajya Sabha and then referred to the standing committee who submitted their report in 2019, and then new version of bill was passed by the Lok Sabha. In 2019, Thawar Chand Gehlot, the Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment, again this was reintroduced in Lok Sabha. And in case of the following revocation of Jammu and Kashmir, this bill was passed by the House of Parliament undebated and was signed by the President on 5th December 2019 and became an act. What is the objective of this? This act seeks to provide them a proper gender at every place, so the definition was set for them. Transgender person will be that persons whose gender will not match with other gender at the time of the birth. Intersex is a person who at the time of birth shows his variation in his or her primary sexual characteristic. Second, the law prohibits any type of discrimination at education center or at the time of employment, recruitment or promotion, as they are also recognized as the third gender with all the rights. Third, the act aims to end discrimination at all education level. No transgender can be deprived for having valuable education, and all the facilities like sports and other facilities will be provided to them without any kind of discrimination against the transgender person. Fourth, this act aims for protecting from the society and from their own family who's disowned them because of their gender identity. This act has a set of rules that transgender will have the right to reside in their own family and the family has taken care of them, and not only on the court order they can separate from their family and will be sent to the rehabilitation center. Fifth is, through this act the government has mandated to set up healthcare facilities to the transgender persons. It will also include separate HIV surveillance centers and the sex reassignment surgeries. Proper medical insurance scheme will be provided to them. Now, concluding with the topic, our constitution states that each and every person is free to live as they want. No law can stop them. Transgender is the person who has been facing challenges from the time of birth and fighting to live as a normal human being. They are treated as untouchable, even they are not untouchable. India has more than 1 million transgender and we cannot ignore them. And that's the reason this act came in to protect them. Yes, this act has some loopholes which needs to be redressed, but we as a human being also need to change our perception towards them and should accept them as they are also human beings. So this act needs some changes for the welfare of the transgender and should provide transgender as a place of dignified member of the society. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video then do like, share, comment and subscribe down the channel below. Thank you.